Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about the concepts from the unit. This is your last unit from the Java side. So we have a first chapter. The first chapter name is called as applets. So there are other chapters like AWTs and swings topic and JDBC. So these are the topics, and let us talk about the first topic, applets. Since from starting video, applets are very powerful programming languages. Applets are very powerful programming languages because it is strongly supports internet. It is strongly supports internet. Internet means network of networks. Network of networks. So that is the concept of internet. If you take internet, each and everything is in the form of www. So that means World Wide Web. So it contains set of websites, and each website contains web pages. Okay, so our Java program must be embedded with the applet. So how it will be possible? Okay, so this thing will be possible with the concept of applets. Okay, so what I'm saying to you, our Java program is strongly associated with the web page. So in this case, there is a first category comes under the concept of applets. Okay, so applet is one of the Java program. This Java program is associated with the internet. So not only internet, we can also develop the graphical applications. So this is the basic concept of applet. Okay, so an applet is Java program used to develop internet applications. In simple terms, in technical definition, an applet is combination of bytecode and dot class file. Technically, an applet is combination of bytecode, that means dot class file, and HTML page. So what is the meaning of HTML page? So just now we discussed about internet is made up of www, that means set of websites, set of web pages. So if we want to develop any kind of web page, we need HTML. So that is nothing but hypertext markup language. So HTML stands for hypertext markup language. So with the help of this, we can develop the web pages, right? So this HTML contains one of the tag. The tag is nothing but applet tag. So this applet tag is associated with the dot class file. So simply what I'm saying to you, an applet is combination of Java bytecode, that is nothing but dot class file and HTML page. So this is the basic introduction about the applet. In Java language, applets are classified into two types. One is comes under local applet and other one is comes under remote applet. Local applet means we are going to develop the programs in our computer. That is comes under the local applet and it is stored in our computer, right? And remote applet means there is a Java program. This Java program is stored into the server. So this server is going to be located in applet, and remote applet is nothing but the data is going to be stored into the server, and this data is going to be downloaded to your computer via internet. So for local applet, no internet connection is required. For remote applet, we need internet connection. We are going to develop local applets in our programming site. Okay, remote applet, we are going to develop later stages from J to EE. So here we are going to creating web pages, and as per our requirement, we have to develop the applets into the web pages. I'll give the best example for the applet. So you have to using, there is a website like IRCTC. In this website, so there is some kind of ad is running. So this ad is nothing but an applet, right? So an applet is nothing but it is one kind of Java program. This Java program is strongly associated with the dot class file and HTML file. HTML means hypertext markup language. See, you can find out the differences between what is local applet and what is remote applet. Okay, so local applet stored in local computer, remote applet is going to be accessed from the server.